Congratulations to the newly appointed presidents, Mrs. Alamatu Omod and Dr. Gatluak Ruanjal, for earning the full trust of the federal government and leading this transformative change in Gambella. Your leadership represents a beacon of hope and a new beginning for the region. As we stand at the threshold of a more prosperous and peaceful Gambella, I am filled with immense joy and pride. This radical shift marks a turning point in our history, and I firmly believe that under your guidance, the people of Gambella will flourish like never before. I extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Abiy Ahmed, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, for his decisive action in removing the corrupt leaders of Gambella. Your commitment to justice and integrity has paved the way for this new era of leadership, and we are deeply grateful for your support in restoring hope to our region. May God bless you both, Mrs. Alamatu Omod and Dr. Gatluak Ruanjal, with wisdom, strength, and vision to steer Gambella towards greater heights. May your leadership be a source of unity and progress, bringing lasting peace, development, and prosperity to every corner of our beloved region. This is, without a doubt, the happiest moment in my life, and I look forward with great anticipation to the bright future that awaits us all under your stewardship.